In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use for loop for breaking up a string.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
So first what I will do is I will create a Python program which I have already created with the name for2.py, and in this first program what I will do is I will be breaking up a string using for loop. Okay, it's quite easy to do. I will show you how. Suppose I take a string variable with the name college and I am using input method. You are already familiar with input method, so we will be reading the value through the keyboard. So input, enter the college name, then whatever college name is supplied by the user, we will be breaking it up into its individual characters. So I have written for var in college, print var. So whatever value is of the variable college, it will pick up characters by character. Oops, there seems to be some indentation problem. Okay, so yeah, there shouldn't be unnecessary indentation. Indentation is to be used only in case of loops and if statement. Okay, so enter the college name. Suppose I have given a Saint Stephen's or Saint Stephen. Okay, as you can see, what for loop has done is it has picked up character by character from the string st.stephen individually. So that was the demonstration through which we have seen that how we can break up a string using a for loop. Now I am going to write another program. Actually program is same, but I would be giving all these statements which we have executed right now. I will be giving it into comments. So there is another program which is printing the vowels present in a string. So we will be having a string, the same string I have copied, college is equal to input, enter the college name. Now what I want to do is I want to print only the vowels which are in the string. So of course the same loop will be there for var in college colon, and after that what I will be doing is I will be checking the characters because characters, they will be assigned to the variable var one by one. So each time in each iteration I would be making the check if var dot lower double equal to a or var dot lower double equal to e. Now lower method, what it will do is it will convert any character that the user has given into lowercase, or var dot lower is equal to o. So all the 5 vowels, they have been checked. Now last one I would write var dot lower is double equal to u. As you know, while making the check we are supposed to apply double equal to colon. Okay, so I will be printing the character. So the character, if the character is, the letter is lower is vowel, so that will be printed. So as you can see, my purpose of using this lower method is if I will be making the check without using the lower method and the user happens to give it in capital letters, suppose capital A is there, that won't be considered as vowel. So I have converted all of them into lowercase and made the checks with the lower letters only. So again I give the name Saint Stephen's DAV. This is the college name, Saint Stephen's DAV College, any arbitrary name. And now you can see it has not printed all the characters, but only those characters which are vowel in this string, right? As you can check.